Good morning. I am Dr. Pranananda Ratha. I am going to tell some lines told by Arjuna in the battlefield before Sri Krishna. He is telling that I do not want to wage war against my own men. The Dhritarashtra's, their relatives, they all belong to my system. They all belong to my family. We constitute a big family. There is no feeling of narrow parochialism in this relation. They are our own. In this connection, he is citing some slokas. Etanna hantumi ichhami gnatopi madhusudana api trailokya rajyasya hetuh kingnu mahi krite. Etanna hantum ichhami. I do not want to kill them. Gnatopi madhusudana. O Sri Krishna, if they kill me, I will not wage war against them. It seems paradoxical. If they will kill me, if they first kill me, then how I will be waging war against them? This is impossible. But he is telling that even if I fight against them, I will be killed in the battlefield, then it will be better for me. I do not want to wage war against them. I mean, I will be normal in the battlefield. I will be very normal in the battlefield. I will not be fighting against them. I will keep quiet because this is against our dharma. This is against my code of conduct. Because we belong to a big family, they are my own. So he is citing the sloka, Etanna hantum ichhami. I do not want to kill them. Gnatopi madhusudana. If they kill me, despite that, I will not fight against them. This is logical, not against logic. Api trailokya rajyasya heto kingnu mahi krite. If I will be getting 3 domains, Sarga, Martya, Patala, still then I will not fight against them. What you are talking of this territory? It doesn't arise. This is the version of Arjuna. Again he is continuing, Nihatya dhartarashtannaha ka pritihi syat janardanam papa meva shraitasmat hattitanatatayinaha. They are traitors. Why should I fight against my traitors? They belong to my family. Their relatives also belong to my relation. If I will be killing them, then I will be very sinful. I will get social blemishes. If this is the situation, I do not want to fight against them. Fighting against them is a crime. Next, he continues, Tasmad narha vayam hantum dhartarashtran svabandhavan sojanang hi katham hatva sukhina Shamamadhava. O Madhava, O Krishna, I do not want to fight against them. Tasmat na arha vayam hantum dhartarashtran svabandhavan. Not myself, even my own men will not fight against them. They are my relatives, they are my friends, they are my own men. Sujanangi kathang hatva. If we will be fighting against them, then this will be a crime. Why should I fight against my own men? If I will be fighting against them, then how we will be happy? We will not be happy. If we kill them, despite that we will not be happy. Because killing our own men is a crime. These are the examples cited by Arjuna to Lord Krishna. This is a matter of debate, this is a matter of logic, this is a matter of conviction raised by Arjuna. Namo Namaha.